For questions 9 through 11, consider the solutions to the equation. The quantity x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 3 equals 0. So that means on our graph, right, that our solutions are going to be the opposite. So it would be negative 5, right here, negative 5, 0, and positive 3. Positive 3, 0. That's what this means here. Alright, and then so it says x squared minus 15 equals 0 has the same solutions as the given equation. Well, I can't factor that, but I can see that if I move that 15 over, I get x squared equals 15. I take the square root, and I take the square root, and I get x equals plus and minus the square root of 15. Any perfect squares that go into 15? I don't think so. So the square root of 15. So that's going to be around plus and minus, well, the square root of 4, or square root of 16 is 4, so it's 3 point something something. So that would be plus and minus 3 something. So that would be no, that doesn't work, because we're supposed to be at negative 5 and 3. 10, x squared plus 2x minus 15 has the same solutions. Well, if we were to FOIL this, our top x and x make x squared, x and negative 3 make negative 3x, 5 and x make positive 5x, and 5 and negative 3 make negative 15. When we add that together, we get x squared plus 2x minus 15. And that's what we have, so that is true. That's the same equation. 11. See if this has the same solutions. So the quantity x plus 1 squared minus 14 has the same solutions as the given equation. I'm going to say no here too, because we'll get the quantity x plus 1 squared minus 14 equals 0. I'm going to move that 14 over so it says equals 14, and then we'll take the square root and the square root, and I'll get x plus 1 equals plus and minus the square root of 14. This is another number that's 3 point something. And then all we're going to do is we're going to say we're subtracting 1 and subtracting 1, so it's negative 1 plus and minus the square root of 14, which is 3 point something. So negative 1 plus 3 point something and negative 1 minus 3 point something is not going to give us those exact answers of negative 5 and 3. So that's false as well.